Hi everyone, and welcome to week 4 of Graphic Design 2. I'm going to go ahead and take you through the content for the week and give you a little bit of information on the assignment. So this week we're really going to be diving into the process of design critique. Methods for giving and receiving useful design critique will be explored, as well as the necessity for a continuous process of design development. We're going to be working on applying these critique methods to peer designs, refining your own work based off my feedback and others, and also discussing your design solutions and ideas. So I'm going to go ahead and take you through the course module. So this week you have, of course, your introduction. You have this first little link here is to a handy little link that's basically like a Q&A on how to discuss feedback and take feedback about your work. You have the watch refining your work, which would be the previous instructor's little lecture on that. And under the apply section this week, we're going to kind of go through these one-on-one. So the first thing that we have here is the social good concept sketches. Now, as previously mentioned last week, this is a 3-week project. So we talked about the concepts last week, which I'll be giving you individual feedback on in the next few days. And then you'll be moving on to the sketches for this week. So based on the topic that you chose in your proposal, you'll develop a series of sketches for each of the deliverables for the project. Sketches must explore various options for layout, composition, and should not be redundant. So you want your sketches to really be unique and not necessarily be anything like a copy and paste and so forth. Okay, you can read through some of the information here, but I'll go through the stuff that's really going to matter for what you'll be presenting to me and also to your classmates. So what you'll be doing is now we'll be working on to past just the writing stage and more into the creative stage. So you will be showing your work, and on the first page you'll have your logo sketches, which you should have 3 in total. So 3 comprehensive sketches of potential logo designs for your campaign, for whatever we came up with. You want to label them clearly, so 1, 2, 3 or ABC, whatever you're comfortable with. You want to make it easy, so if you post this to the discussion thread, another classmate can be like, oh, I really like number 2 and this is why. The elements that you need to be aware of are here. So you're going to have your brainstorm, and 3 different campaign ideas should potentially work for your topic. Make sure you really think about your audience and what they need to see and hear in your campaign and messaging that will be, the most persuasive to them. So from your logos, then we're going to move on to the specific ideas. So for the first campaign, you'll have 4 specific sketches for that. You'll have your print ad, your social ad, your outdoor ad, and then your editorial spread. So 4 different sketches for that for your first idea. And then you'll have the 4 different sketches for your second idea, and so forth. So you can see all that. Again, labeling will be important for this. And for final submission, you'll want to make sure it's in one single PDF. It's just easier on me that way. If you have any issues with that, you can always email me. All right, so that's for the project specifically this week. So the project is due to the assignment area to me by the end of the week, but then you're also going to post them to the discussion thread for peer feedback. So choose your best concept from each section of your social good sketches, the logo, elements, website landing page, editorial design, and arrange them neatly into a document. You might need to crop them. Upload this image along with your mood board to the discussion thread. Describe why you think these designs and concepts are the best solution for your campaign and how you plan to improve the design and concepts before the final deliverables are due, which will be next week. Okay, so you'll be posting your best idea here, and the class will give you feedback on it. I will also give you feedback on it as well here. So you'll hear from me a few times this week in regards to the project. So you'll be posting to the discussion thread your best concept. You'll be posting that by Thursday. Okay. And then you will also be posting to at least 2 people feedback on their own work. Okay, so that'll give you from Thursday when everyone's posts are due all the way until Monday to not only get feedback on your own work from the class and myself, but then also to give feedback on at least 2 classmates. You could always do more, like if you have more time, but the requirement is 2. okay? And that's what we'll be working on this week. I can't wait to see everyone's work, and have a fantastic week.